I'm Simon Potts. I'm a professor of biodiversity working at the University of Reading, and I've worked on pollinator conservation and the integration of biodiversity into farming for about 30 years. And Reading University specialises in working between policy, practice, science and civil society to co-develop solutions to help pollinators. It was an accident. So when I was an undergraduate, I was going to do a project on recombinant DNA, which was a very big topic at the time. It tells you how old I am. But mixing together colourless solutions and running gels just didn't capture my heart. And I met a professor who had just come back from collecting bees in the deserts in the Middle East. And the diversity blew me away. And that's like, I changed my career. Instantly at that point, I wanted to work with bees. So AGRI4POL is that perfect blend of really high quality science that then has a kind of a practical implication. And I think the partners in AGRI4POL, we all share that same vision. We want to do some really good cutting edge science, but that's not the end point, publishing the paper. It's actually how can we inform stakeholders, whether they're farmers, whether they're policymakers or they're kind of civil society groups. So it's really about doing the research, but then mobilizing that to get people to change their behaviors. So I'm overseeing Work Package 6 along with Tiffany, and we're working on how to basically mobilize the evidence and make it into a usable form. And so to do that, we spend a lot of time just asking the stakeholders, what evidence do you need? What knowledge are you missing? And then we take all these different streams of evidence, whether it's from empirical work in the field, maybe it's modeling work, maybe it's expert knowledge, and we try and combine it together and then produce a format that appeals to them. So publications in science can be quite dry, quite technical, but what we really do is try and sort of bring it to life and answer the questions that the particular stakeholders need. And that could be through a policy brief, it could be through a practitioner guide, it could be a webinar. All these different things work, and like different content works for different stakeholders. It means adopting new practices that help both pollinators and people.